guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. Chef Carlton here, and if you guys are following, you guys will realize I'm in Jamaica, and I'm doing a video today to show you guys about the quality of the food in Jamaica and the quality of the food in the US. Now, it's not a matter of saying one is better, because there's a lot of factors that goes into the quality. For instance, if you got to import the product, how you import the product affect the flavor. So like the altitude, the temperature, and how far the product is coming from is going to factorize into the quality and the taste, the expiration date, stuff like that. So without further ado, before I come down, I tried a bunch of product over there, and I make some notes on the quality and the taste, just to keep the memory fresh. And then when I come out here now, I try the same product, the same company, the same stuff, and the taste. So I'm gonna tally up where is better, and then at the end of the day we'll see where. And don't be disappointed, because not everything that you guys think is better in Jamaica actually is, or vice versa to the US. So the first product we're going to review is going to be the Blue Mountain coffee. So Blue Mountain coffee in the US, I had about a bottle, probably like a week before my trip. Make like 5 cups. Was very disappointed. So the Blue Mountain coffee in the US, very disappointed. Didn't even smell like it. Tastes very watered down. Come here in Jamaica, get some Blue Mountain coffee. And I'm gonna be honest with you, while the quality wasn't much better, it was better. The smell was there. The taste was a bit off, but it tastes better than the one I had back home. So for the Blue Mountain coffee, I gotta give that one to Jamaica. Okay, so the next product we're gonna review now is gonna be a Red Stripe beer. As I said, before my trip, I had a couple of Red Stripe beers back in the US, and we all know what happened with the company, that the company changed ownership not so long ago. However, I had a few. It wasn't what you used to the original Red Stripe, what you used to in Jamaica back in like the early 2000s, late 90s. And so, but it was okay. I drank it. Come on here, had a few. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This one might shock you. The one in the US was actually better. Yep, the one in the US was actually better. The one out here tastes watered down. It tasted like, don't want to use the wrong words, not trying to be mean, but it didn't taste like what I'm used to Red Stripe beer to taste. It tastes like. And then I do some even more digging and look into like recipes and realize what did they do different, what are they leaving out. But that's one for another day. But the US, you guys take this one with the Red Stripe. No, this one shocked me. This one shocked me. The next one I'm going to go about is talking about is the hot pepper. Yeah, man, the bucket hot pepper sauce, man, what we all grew up and love. I buy one in the US. It's something I buy frequently. Something I buy from my household on a regular. So I didn't have to go out to get it just for this video. Something I use daily in the US, and it's not hot. I'm gonna be honest. You could go through a bottle in 4 days. It's not very hot. Come out here, get a couple bottles, and I'm gonna be brutally honest with you guys. It's the same thing. It's the same. It's not hot. I think the product is just watered down. I could not choose. It's the same exact thing. Honestly, it's the same exact thing. So I could not choose a country or a region have better, because it was the same thing. So, and then reading the labels on the bottle, they were all imported from the same location, the same place. So that one, there was no difference in anything. So I'm sorry, but I couldn't choose one for this one. So the score remains. Alright, this one now, guys. The next one we're going to talk about, guys, is my personal favorite, the Ackee and the Saltfish. Alright, so back home in the US, I get some fresh Ackee from off the tree. Not the canned stuff, off the tree. Make some Ackee and Saltfish for breakfast. It's Ackee, so it's one of my favorite thing to eat. So of course, it tasted good. But this one is not even a competition. Coming out here, get some fresh Ackee off the tree, cooking it, picking it, cleaning it, cooking it. Jamaica take this one by a mile. It's better quality. The taste is better. It's fresh. It's just 100% more better. So, for the ackee and saltfish, this is no surprise, guys. The climate out here, and the agricultural effort that goes behind ackee in Jamaica, it's second to none. So, Jamaica take this one. No competition. This one. All right. The next one I'm going to review right now, guys, is the yellow yam. Again, not something I'm fond of, not my cup of tea. People back home, Taya could tell you, it's not something I eat when I'm back home. I'll eat it in my soup. I'm having a bowl of soup, I'll have a piece. But to cook it and eat it with ackee or with saltfish or with food, like I'll do with a dumpling or, a piece of sweet potato, yam it wasn't my thing. So I tried it over there, didn't like it, think it was a bit dry, think it tasted weird. I came out here, and I must say, I think I had yam probably for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner every day of my trip so far, and I'm loving it. We actually went to I actually went to a little town in my parish, in my district, and I saw like a whole farm of yam. And then when we got there, we had it for lunch, and it was amazing. So again, this is something that I've grown up around, always been around, know about, just never indulged in partaking, eating it. Just never wasn't a fan of it. But this trip, I think I have it so far, every day so far. So another thing that Jamaica takes, and it's no surprise, it's grand provision. I think again the climate out here, and just the culture, and the attention that goes into farming in Jamaica compared to exactly, in the US, there's not necessarily the land or the climate or the market for it. So that explains that. All right, guys, this one was very contradictory because this one is bottled water, and even there's so many and there's so much. Even back home, there's always this big thing of which one is better, but bottled water goes into different categories because you got water with natural alkaline. They start adding, a bunch of stuff to the waters. You got spring water, purified, distilled. But I'm just going to sum up everything as bottled water because I don't have time to break down each and every company or each and every type of water, right? So we're just going to generalize everything as bottled water. I tried quite a few bottled waters back home, back in the US, and they're pretty. I mean, I like every water. I think they're all. I'm not one that think that you could drink this water and then tell me, oh, it's that one, or you could close your eyes and drink this one and say, oh, it's that one. I don't believe none of that rubbish. I think they all have the same taste to me. That's to me. But when I come out here, I try a few, and now I start seeing the difference in terms of the taste. But bottled water, US got better bottled water. I don't know if it's because they got more variety, but they do got better bottled water. And there's a lot of misconception around spring water and what does it do and the health benefits of spring water. Guys, take it from me. If you could avoid drinking spring water, please do. It's again, it's a lot to get into, but that's for another video. But in terms of what region to me got better bottled water, the US take that one, guys. And the last one I'm going to review today in this video is mangoes. When it comes to the mangoes, guys, I've had a few nice ones back home in the US, but I think what they do is because it's something that they also import, they probably pick to get it off the tree when it's not in the best form, because they take into consideration expedition date, traveling time and temperatures, and it all of the stuff is messed with the quality. So out here in Jamaica, what happens is they wait until it's perfect and it's ready. They just take it off the tree and sell it to you straight off the tree, so you get it fresh and things. So by no close comparison, Jamaica got better mangoes. All right, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that one, guys. And this is just a quick little video. Enjoy my vacation, enjoying my time in Jamaica. Seen a lot of familiar faces, seen a lot of people I've lost connection with over the years, but I'm enjoying myself so far. Having a lot of great food, going to some restaurants, seen a lot of old co-workers in the industry, culinary people, some chefs that I worked with in the past. Met some great chefs also. So it's been a good trip, guys. I probably won't be doing much cooking myself, but I'll definitely be doing much eating and much food reviews. And when I go back home, I promise you guys I'll be right back in the kitchen. But right now I'm just trying to enjoy my last couple. I think I got like another week of vacation. So yeah. So I, as I always ask you guys to do is please subscribe, hit that share, like, you know, and let me know if you guys have a similar experience with the regional difference in the stuff we just reviewed. You guys may have it opposite. You guys might think Jamaica have better water. You guys might think US have better coffee. So just drop the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's something you guys want me to review or compare before I go back, so I could try it out here. Then when I reach up, I could try it and then let you guys know. All right. So Chef Carlton here, guys, saying stay safe out there and peace out.